Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Jess and I'm gonna be your Albanian teacher. Starting from today, I'm gonna make a new series of videos about teaching Albanian that I think is way more efficient. If you are looking to learn quick and to learn as much as you can so you can communicate with your partner, with your husband, with your wives, I think this is the right way to do it. So this is going to be the first video of this series, and it's going to be basically I'll say a noun, for example, then I'll add a verb, then I'll say a short sentence, and this is how it's going to be constructed. We're going to start from very basic things and then we're going to go into more advanced. Okay, first we're going to start with nouns. Name, emri, emri. Your name, emri juaj, emri juaj. What's your name? Si e ke emrin? Si e ke emrin? Day, dit, dit. Sunny day, dit me diell. It's a sunny day. Është një ditë me diell. Është një ditë me diell. One, një, një. One night, një nat, një nat. We're staying just one night. Ne do qëndrojmë vetëm një nat. Ne do qëndrojmë vetëm një nat. Time, orë. What time? Çfarë ore? What time it is? Sa është ora? Sa është ora? Two, dy, dy. 2 weeks long. Dy javë, dy javë. Summer vacation is 2 weeks long. Pushimet verore zgjasin 2 javë. Pushimet verore zgjasin 2 javë. Year, viti, viti. Next year, vitin tjetër, vitin tjetër. I'm coming back next year. Do të vi përsëri vitin tjetër. Do të vi përsëri vitin tjetër. Today, sot, sot. Today is, sot është. Sot është. Today is sunny. Sot është ditë me diell. Sot është ditë me diell. Yesterday, dje, dje. Came yesterday. Erdha dje. We came yesterday. Ne erdhëm dje. Ne erdhëm dje. Tomorrow, nesër, nesër. Tomorrow is, nesër është. Nesër është. Tomorrow is the party. Party është nesër. Party është nesër. Now I think this will be enough for today because these are a lot of words, and what would be ideal is if you could leave the phone somewhere and you just repeat after me. That's why I'm repeating the words twice so that you have time to say them at the same time. I hope this helps, and let me know if you find this kind of videos more useful, and I'll do more of them. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I hope you all have a good day. Bye!